Welcome to Trade Toon, your daily cartoon-powered market wrap in under 90 seconds. First up, metal stocks took a hit today. Investors turned cautious after former US President Donald Trump warned he could double tariffs on imported steel and aluminum to 50% starting June 4th. The Nifty Metal Index dropped 1%, with JSW Steel, Hindalco, and Tata Steel down up to 1.5%. Meanwhile, IT stocks weren't spared either, with over 60% of their revenue tied to the US. Renewed global trade tensions dragged the sector down by 1.25%, adding to overall market weakness. Geopolitical risks are also heating up. Reports confirm that Ukraine targeted 5 airbases deep inside Russian territory using drones, raising fears of a sharp response from Moscow, especially ahead of today's peace talks in Turkey. On the trade war front, it's game on again. Tensions reignited between the US and China after Beijing hit back at Trump's Geneva consensus breach accusations, calling them groundless. China says it will take forceful measures to defend its interests. Markets now fear another round of tit-for-tat tariffs. The global picture, bleak. Asian indices fell sharply. Hong Kong's Hang Seng hit a 3-week low, while Kospi, Nikkei, and Shanghai Composite all closed in the red. Wall Street futures slipped too, signaling weak sentiment across the board. And finally, the big money's moving out. Foreign institutional investors pulled out over 6,400 crore from Indian equities on Friday, deepening the sell-off and shaking investor confidence. That's a wrap for today on Trade Toon, where markets meet motion. If you like your financial news simplified, visualized, and straight to the point, hit that follow and join us tomorrow. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Please consult certified experts before making any investment decisions.